How do I safely dispose of a dead car battery after storage? Have you ever wondered what to do with a dead car battery after it has been sitting around for a while? If you are a teenager learning about car ownership, this is an important topic. Let's break down how to safely dispose of that battery. First, it is essential to understand why proper disposal is so important. Car batteries contain hazardous materials like lead and sulfuric acid. If these substances leak, they can harm the environment and even your health. Improper disposal can lead to soil and water contamination. Because of this, car batteries are classified as hazardous waste and must be handled with care. If you need to store the battery before disposal, make sure to keep it in a sturdy, leak-proof container. This will help prevent any acid leaks. Avoid placing the battery directly on concrete for long periods, as this can damage it. Store it in a cool, dry place away from children and pets to prevent accidents. Now, here is a big one. Never throw a car battery in the regular trash. Disposing of it this way is illegal in many areas and poses a danger to the environment. Instead, you should take the battery to a certified recycling center or an auto parts store that accepts used batteries. Many stores offer free recycling when you bring in an old battery. These facilities have the right equipment to recycle most of the battery materials safely and reuse them. When you transport the battery to the recycling location, keep it upright and secure in your vehicle. This will help avoid spills. It is best not to place it in the trunk, where heat and movement could cause acid leakage. As a teenager learning about car maintenance, knowing how to handle and dispose of car batteries safely is part of being responsible. This knowledge connects to jump-starting a car after long-term storage. If your car won't start, a dead battery might be the reason. If you jump-start the car but the battery remains dead, it may need replacement and proper disposal. By following these steps, you can protect yourself, others, and the environment while gaining important skills for car ownership and maintenance.